Hey, we're going to be looking at Microsoft. Last time we looked at them was on the 19th of March, so almost a month ago. At that point, it was trading at 279. It's currently at 288. We had buy points marked at 237, 252, and most recently 271. We'll see if that changes. And then we had a resistance point at 302. 302 is in the red, 271 is in blue, and then 237 is in green. We also have this uptrend. It looks like that's still intact. Um, Before I get any further, if you have any opinions that are different than mine, or if they're the same, let me know in the comments. But we're just going to focus on the technical analysis. No news on this one, just looking at the chart. So all I'm going to do for this is I'm going to add in a top trend line. Again, we'll put it out a little bit just so we have a little bit of a runway. This one, uh, again, all these lines, they're just personal judgment. Yours could be very different if you drew this. I'm just trying to more or less get the tops here. So I could have drew this in a little bit higher to catch some of these tops. I could have drew it in lower to kind of match these. I feel like it's more common that it's hitting up here. I'm trying to get it like right in the middle, but I have like a, actually that works. Okay. Um, okay, I'll stick with that. Before it was like sticking, like it, because I have like a snap feature on for this, and it was just kind of snapping a little bit. But yeah, that seems to be the range for this one. Um, so right now, if we zoom in, currently it's at the upper end of the range, and so for me, right away, I feel like it's overpriced. Not only is it at the upper range, it's above the upper range. So, I mean, we can see that it might, maybe we need to up the range to have like a third bar that kind of follows along up here because maybe it started a new accelerated uptrend based on this high growth they had about a month ago. Um, we'll kind of wait, but for now, I'll just keep it simple, including this upper limit line. What I would hope for uh, this week specifically would be something like 256. Now, I can't imagine it would drop that far, close to like $30 in 1 week. Of course, it's possible, but I think what's more likely to happen, and not saying this will happen, would be something maybe like here. You know, it might trend down or maybe kind of sideways and down, something like that. And so I'm trying to look for something. We'll split the difference here between the 2 points because that's roughly where it was. Um, I'm gonna keep that buy point at 271. Realistically, if it got to like say 275, yeah, I might hop in because that would be like a dip. I think the overall uh, impression that I want to make aware is that right now it's in an uptrend. So if it dips, that's when I'm gonna hope to buy. Um, we just don't know how far the dip's gonna go. Again, so forecasting ahead, I think this is a possibility. We don't know when it's gonna bottom out again, sort of like down here. I think, uh, honestly, what would be nice, like I said, is it would pull right back down to like 260, but I think it'll take a little while, chop sideways for a couple weeks. And so for now, just a safe bet would be about 274. Um, 275 would be good. Somewhere in the 270s, like the mid 270s, I think that'd be a decent time to jump in. Again, it might not be the very bottom of the next dip, but it should be pretty close to it. And so I'd be okay with that. That's going to be the price point I'm looking for. So just to recap this one or update it, actually let me update it and then I can share. But so currently it's at 288. The buy point, we'll just keep that as is. Resistance still at 302. We'll update the date, and then short-term uptrend, buy dips. So this is just a quick summary of what we kind of went over here. So for Microsoft, it's currently at 288. We still have those buy points marked out, 271 being the most likely scenario here. And again, if it got to like say 275, 270, you know, somewhere in the mid 270s, I'd still probably add something, maybe just one share. And if it drops lower to like say 260, well then I'd be able to add another share. But just saying, I'm giving myself a little buffer with this one. Resistance still is at 302 for now. And just a quick note is it's currently in that short-term uptrend, and it seems like you want to just buy we want to just buy the dips at this point. So that's kind of how I'm playing it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Outside of that, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.